thunderstorm coming. It's gonna be pretty quick. We see the rain. The thunderstorm coming. It's gonna be really slowly. The rain. The thunderstorm. It's gonna be quick. Where's the camera?
Starbucks.
Oh, where is that elevator?
I think it's going to be right here, kiddo.
There it is. Watch out.
There it is.
This is a Marriott. Marriott Marquee. It might be Otis as well. Going out. It's an old Otis. Get a 4. Get me 4. Don't go spot from the side like that.
And remember, press one button at a time because people are probably coming up and down right now on the Sunday sources.
Truthfully. Check it on TV. Fourth floor. Let's sit this down.
Sorry, excuse us. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, nice. What do you want to go down here?
The city elevator. This is the city research. There's your hallway view. This is the elevator. Great door. This is my baby carriage. Buttons right there.
It's a block.
It doesn't work. Look at that, it's original button right there. Otis, original Otis touch button.
Original Otis touch button, huh?
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
Going down to Otis as well. Got a 3. Door closed does not work. I don't think we have very many ridiculous. 3rd floor. Let's go to okay. Going down. I'm gonna take everything in this. I'm gonna take everything in this. Let's see, this is the motor. 2nd floor. 2nd floor. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's original.
Oops.
Oh, going up.
Oh, well then, sorry. This way.
me.
Let you
I'm not sure.
No, they're going down.
4,
First one.
4. That's
Three,
the
four,
choice.
the elevator.
Come on. Look at that. It's original one.
We are going down. Yeah.
4 away.
I feel really bad if we had to go off there.
Yep. Tracing this down.
Okay. Yep, it's going. Okay, now we're going to hold it for them so they can.
Thank you. Thanks.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Now let's try to sit this down. Let's sit this one up. Oh my. There it goes. That's
Look,
it.
do you want to see the pool?
Look at that as a pool over there. That's the other day. Look at that rain. Good Lord.
Oh, it's closed.
And then that store. There's a fitness center.
Oh, the spa's closed. I guess the pool's open. I don't know.
We open it.
No, we can't. We don't have a key.
Okay, look at that store right
But we
there.
can look at it.
Look at that rain. That's it.